Have you ever looked around your home and felt overwhelmed by how much stuff has piled up over the years? For many seniors, decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating a safer, calmer, and more comfortable space to enjoy life. But here's the surprising truth: most older adults make the same mistakes when trying to declutter, and these mistakes can actually make the process harder, not easier. In this video, we're going to explore 8 decluttering mistakes seniors make, and, more importantly, how to fix almost all of them. From holding on to sentimental items to keeping unnecessary duplicates, each mistake quietly adds stress to daily life. By recognizing these traps, you can turn decluttering from a burden into a gift for yourself and your loved ones. Stay with us until the end, because you'll learn simple strategies to create freedom, safety, and peace of mind in your home. 1. Holding on to too many sentimental items. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is keeping everything tied to memories, old birthday cards, every photo ever taken, or clothing from loved ones who have passed. The problem isn't the items themselves, it's the emotion attached to them. Many of us fear that letting go means losing the memory, but the truth is, the memory lives in you, not in the object. For example, Martha, a 78-year-old, had boxes of gifts from her children filling her attic. With her daughter's help, she kept only a few meaningful items and donated the rest. The result? She felt lighter and happier, not guilty. Tip: keep a few treasures that truly matter and display them proudly. Let go of the rest, and make space for the life you're living today. 2. Keeping duplicates you don't need. Do you have multiple measuring cups, 5 flashlights, or several coats that all serve the same purpose? Holding on to duplicates can clutter your home and make it harder to find what you actually need. This habit often comes from a scarcity mindset, saving everything just in case. But more often than not, duplicates weigh you down instead of keeping you safe. George, a 74-year-old, had 7 hammers but only ever used one. He kept the 2 best ones and donated the rest. Not only did he reclaim space, but he also felt proud knowing someone else could benefit. Tip: keep only what you need and use. Let the extras go. You'll restore order and simplicity instantly. 3. Letting paper clutter pile up. Stacks of bills, magazines, letters, and old documents can quickly become overwhelming. Many seniors keep these papers just in case, but over time, visual clutter increases stress and drains your energy. Robert, 81, had decades of bank statements in boxes. With his granddaughter's help, he kept only the essential records and shredded the rest. The relief he felt was immediate. Tip: keep only important documents in one organized spot. Recycle or shred the rest. Clearing paper clutter restores clarity to your mind. 4. Storing things for someday. It's common to hold on to items you think you might use someday: exercise equipment, kitchen gadgets, or craft supplies. But that someday rarely comes. Helen, 76, had a treadmill collecting dust for over 10 years. Donating it freed her guest room and turned it into a cozy reading space. Tip: ask yourself, does this item serve me today? If not, let it go. You'll create a home that supports your real needs and joys. 5. Avoiding decluttering because it feels overwhelming. Decluttering an entire home can feel impossible. When faced with decades of stuff, many seniors procrastinate, leaving clutter to grow. Frank, 83, hadn't touched his garage in 20 years. By starting with just one box, he gained momentum and gradually cleared the space. Tip: break the process into small, manageable steps. Focus on one drawer, one shelf, or one corner at a time. Small victories build confidence and reduce stress. 6. Holding on to items out of guilt. Sometimes seniors keep items they don't even like because they feel guilty: gifts, family heirlooms, or expensive purchases. Barbara, 79, had a set of china she never used. Donating it to a community center brought her joy instead of guilt. Tip: gifts and heirlooms are about the love behind them, not the objects. Let go and make space for things that truly support your life. 7. Not having a system for where things go. Without designated spaces, items end up on tables, chairs, or cluttered shelves. Over time, it becomes frustrating to find anything. Daniel, 68, constantly misplaced his glasses in mail. Creating simple stations, a tray for glasses, a basket for mail, hooks for keys, instantly reduced his stress. Tip: use baskets, bins, or labeled shelves. Build the habit of returning items to their home. Your space and mind will feel calmer. 8. Holding on to items out of fear of the future. Fear is a subtle but powerful reason we keep clutter: fear of needing it later, fear of regret, fear of losing security. Elaine, 75, had dozens of empty jars she never used. Clearing them gave her a sense of freedom and lightness. Tip: shift your mindset from fear to trust. Trust that if you truly need something later, you'll find a way. Let go of what doesn't serve you now. Decluttering isn't just about tidying your home, it's about creating a space that supports your health, lifts your mood, and brings peace of mind. Which of these mistakes felt most familiar to you? Take a moment to notice patterns in your own life or that of friends and family. Even small steps, like clearing one just-in-case item each week, can transform your home and your life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more content to inform and inspire seniors everywhere.